May I request Honorable Guest of Honor, Mr. Salim Khori, to enlighten the graduates with his address.
Assalamu alaikum. The आवाज नहीं आई. No, wait. Tired it. Let's try again. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much. Boys and girls, big day for you. What a day, what a moment in your life. 4 years of hard work, and here you are. So पहले हम एक काम करेंगे. सबसे पहले जो जितने भी graduate students हैं, they will stand up and then turn back to your parents, say, Mom and Pa, thank you very much. Because it's your parents who have made sure that you are here today. So get up, please, all of you. Remember to turn around and tell your parents, Ma, Pa, we love you. Thank you very much. You made us our life. You have given us what we need. Thank you very much. Can you understand how much sacrifice they gave for you? You know how many their needs they let go because of you. How many days and nights they spent for you to graduate today. They're the one you are here. They're the one you must always remember. Never forget your parents when you are successful, and you will be successful, inshallah ta'ala. You will do big things. You'll be big businessmen. You will be ministers and prime ministers. You'll be CEOs of the companies. But doesn't matter what you are. Never forget who brought you here. Never forget who made you come here and be successful. So always remember that your parents are the reason you are here. Thank you very much. You did that. Second people who you must stand up again, your teachers. Please stand up and say, my teacher, thank you very much. We love you. Thank you guys. Can't hear that. Haji, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, yeah. Thank you all. Thank you very much. This is beautiful. And I'm so glad that you listened to Farooq so with patience and listen to everybody said. This is a great sign that you people are serious to learn from others. So again, let me say first thank Farooq Usman. You spoke very well. Proud of you. Young man who is making Pakistan proud by what he's doing. So we are all very proud, and this is where I feel Pakistan is going to be a great nation because of people like Farooq Usman. Farooq, thank you very much. God bless you. And please keep up your good work, and please make this country proud and make us be very happy to you. Thank you, buddy. Thank you very much, brother. Thanks a lot. Again, great. 4 years of hard work. 4 years of pain. 4 years of patience. 4 years of, sleepless night to achieve your goal. Now that's a big thing. 4 years of hard work, 4 years of waiting for the day when you will complete your education and when you complete your degree and when you start your new life. So it's time to celebrate. It's time to be happy. It's time to recognize that you're able to achieve your goals. This is a goal you started 4 years ago. You said to yourself, I'm going to get my degree, I'll be a graduate, and I'll be, successful. Well, you did that. There's a big sign which tells you that you are a very successful person. You achieved your first major goal of life, which is completing your first undergraduation. So that's again a great sign of your personality. It tells us that you have what it takes to be successful. So first of all, remember yourself that you are able and very capable of doing things which you desire and which you want, which you can achieve your milestones. So great time to celebrate. I remember, I used to tell my customers, whenever we sign a contract, especially big contracts with our customer, something like BMW, Germany, we were signing a contract with them, which will take us 3 years to complete. So on the day of signing, everybody's very happy. Everybody's very excited. The NetSol is happy. The customer is very happy that we are signing a contract to create a new software for the company. I was the only one not excited. I was the only one not sharing the excitement with the customer. So my customer asked me, Salim, everybody in your company is happy. Everybody's excited. Why are you not happy or excited? I said, look, I'm happy. I'm excited, but I will not share my enthusiasm today because I'm making a promise that we have to deliver in 3 years new solution for your company. That is a big commitment I'm making to you. So until I deliver my promise to you, I will not celebrate. My celebration is not today. Yes, be happy to sign, but we cannot celebrate because we have not delivered anything. And true to my word, after 3 years, when we delivered a $50 million project to BMW China, I did celebrate. I was happy, I was excited, and I did show my excitement to my customer. Well, today is your day. Today is your day that you celebrate. Today is your day to be happy. Today is to be cheerful. Show your excitement to everyone that you have accepted. Having said that, the life is going to change for you. You think the 4 years were tough? You think 4 years were, sleepless night? You think the 4 years made your life difficult? Well, here you are. Let me give you a news here. This is just the beginning of something very new, something very different. But there will be no teachers to handhold. There will be no teachers to guide you. There will be no teachers to mentor you what to do. You are going to be on your own. The life you're starting is now will be your life to lead your life to decide what to do. It's the decisions you take in this life will tell you where you will be in 10 or 15, 20 years. Every time you take a decision from here onwards will decide where you are 10 years, 20 years, 30 years from now. Let me tell you my side. 30 years ago, I left Australia to come to Pakistan. I'm an IT professional. I'm an IT techie. I develop software. I've been doing it for 45 years. But 30 years ago, I decided to leave Australia and come to Lahore to start a new company called NetSol. With nothing in my pocket. I didn't have any much money. I have no resources. I just had my belief and my will that I'll come to Pakistan, start a company, IT company, which will introduce Pakistan IT to the world. Can you please be quiet at the back? Can we please be quiet at the back because I can't focus. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Thanks a lot. So I decided to come to Pakistan with a vision, with a dream. एक ख्वाब था, एक विश थी, एक डिजायर थी कि एक ऐसी आईटी कंपनी बनाई जाए जो पाकिस्तान को ग्लोबली इंट्रोड्यूस कराए. एक ख्वाब था. 30 साल पहले आईटी इंडस्ट्री बड़ी नहीं थी. आईटी इंडस्ट्री में पाकिस्तान में कुछ नहीं था. There were only 3-4 companies which were offering IT solutions to the world. And here I am. 30 साल पहले एक ख्वाब देख रहा हूं कि हम ऐसी कंपनी बनाए जो दुनिया में पाकिस्तान को इंट्रोड्यूस कराए. बड़ा ख्वाब, बड़े ड्रीम्स. जैसे चांद पे आपने कमेंट डाल ली है, ऐसा ख्वाब लेके मैं पाकिस्तान आया था. 30 साल हो गए इस बात को. 30 years ago I did that. That was my dream. I came to Lahore with nothing in my pocket. मेरी किताब का नाम है कुछ नहीं से सब कुछ. मेरी पहली किताब मैंने 8 साल पहले लिखी थी और उसमें अपनी जर्नी शेयर की कि मैं कुछ नहीं लाया और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब कुछ बना लिया. कुछ नहीं से सब कुछ. That's the journey I started with me. That's how you start your journey. जब मुझे लोग कहते हैं ना कि यार हम क्या करें, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं, तो I smile at them. That's where you start. You start from कुछ नहीं, and then you build सब कुछ. That should be your journey. That should you decide कि don't tell me कि आपके पास कुछ नहीं है. 2 तरह के लोग होते हैं दुनिया में. एक जिनके पास बहुत पैसा है, जिनकी फैमिली बड़ी है, जिनके पास जायदादें हैं, जिनके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं, हम उनको बिजनेसमैन कहते हैं. वो अपना बाप से पैसा लिया, एक नया बिजनेस कर दिया. They are called businessman. I'm not a businessman. I don't come from a businessman family. I don't have any resources. I had nothing in my background to help me to build something like NetSol. I'm an entrepreneur. मैं हूँ एक entrepreneur. Entrepreneur वो होते हैं जो कुछ नहीं होने से सब कुछ build करते हैं. They start with nothing and they build something which is meaningful, which is recognized, which lasts longer. मेरी desire ये थी कि मैं ऐसी चीज बनाऊं जो मेरे बाद भी मुझसे बड़ी हो जाए. तो NetSol इंशाल्लाह ताला बन गई है. कल मैं रिटायर हुआ, कल मैं नहीं हुआ, but NetSol इंशाल्लाह होगी. NetSol will stay in this Pakistan and lead Pakistan to the world. Boys and girls, these are very serious time. You're lucky to be in the world now, जहाँ एक नया revolution है. There's a new revolution happening in the world, which is called AI. AI has changed everything, how we work, how we do things. 4 साल पहले जब आपने एडमिशन लिया था 2021 में, तो AI का जिक्र इतना नहीं था. तो आपने you started studying, you started looking at what you've been taught. AI का जिक्र नहीं था. आज AI is the key word for us to build our lives. It's a different world. ये world 4 साल पुराना नहीं है. ये आज का world बिल्कुल different world है. इसमें different skill set चाहिए हमें. We need more knowledge and skill for us to be successful. I'm going to put a question to you all. Now is the time for you. हम 10 बच्चे हायर करते हैं एक साथ एक ग्रुप पे और विद इन फ्यू इयर्स 2 या 3 बच्चे आगे निकलते हैं, बाकी 6-7 बच्चे पीछे रह जाते हैं. क्या फर्क है इन बच्चों में? उन 10 बच्चों में से 10 के 10 एक स्कूल से आए, 10 के 10 एक साथ हायर किए, उनका जीपीए भी एक साथ एक जैसे ही था, बट 2 या 3 आगे निकल गए, बाकी 6 पीछे रह गए. What do you think happened? क्या हुआ था? Everybody help me here? What happened to those 3 जो आगे निकल गए? What happened to those 6 जो पीछे रह गए? It's very simple. Those 3 had the desire to learn more. It was all about learning. It was all about your ability to learn from people around you, learn from your environment, learn to do things better than others. They had ability to be a leader. They had this, they possessed something, a charm, a personality which was liked by others. That's how they become better than others. You have to decide, are you going to be a leader or are you going to be led by the people? ये आपका फैसला है. And all of us can be leaders. I can just show you that where I come from, I had a very weak personality in my school. I had no personality at all. I was not recognized by anyone at all when I was in my class. But somehow I was able to build my personality over the period. बहुत critical है. मैं जो नेचुरल के जब हमने बिजनेस शुरू किया तो we used to meet a lot of people around us. And one thing I felt, जब मैं किसी से मिलता हूँ तो within few minutes of meeting, either they like me or they don't like me. It's very important to decide when you meet somebody new, how you interact with that person, how you meet them, how do you greet them, how do you shake your hand. That will decide if that person likes you or not. And trust me, it's all about likeness. It's not about how good salesman you are. If they like you, they will buy from you. If they don't get the good feeling, they'll just say, thank you very much, have a cup of tea, bye-bye, mister. We'll see you again. Start making sure that your personality is liked. Build a personality. Stand tall. Look into your eyes. Handshake strong. Talk in the manner. Be very open and honest to people when you talk to new people. Let them like you. Let them make sure when you leave, they smile. When you leave, they say, wow, I like that guy. I like that person. That's how you will be successful. Success comes from the personality. मैंने अपने कस्टमर से पूछा, शुरू की बात है 30 साल पहले जब मुझे पहला कस्टमर मिला, जर्मन कस्टमर था, उन्होंने मुझे काम दे दिया, they gave me a contract. कुछ साल बाद मैंने उससे पूछा, why did you give your Mercedes-Benz, your German company, you're so big in the world, why did you give the contract to a small company like Netsoul? We were only a few people, you knew that we are very small, you gave the project to Netsoul. Why did you do that? You know what he said? He said, you're wrong. We did not give the project to Netsoul. I said, what do you mean? He said, we give the project to you because you came to us with such an energy, such a passion. When you talk to us, we said, wow, this guy will not fail. This guy will deliver the commitment, the promise he's making, he will deliver. That's how I learned how important it is, how you meet people. Mark my word, it's all about how you meet people first time. It's the first impression you leave which will define your destiny, which will define your life, which will tell you if you're going to be a leader or if you're going to be led. All depending upon how you present yourself to the world, how you present yourself to the people. Depend upon that. Life going to be tough. कुछ नहीं फ्री मिलेगा, लेना पड़ेगा. वो कहते हैं किस्मत खटकाती है, knocks the door. Wrong. Kismet does not knock the door. You have to go out of the door and get your luck. Luck को छीनना पड़ता है. Luck आती नहीं है. Luck घर बैठ के नहीं मिलेगी. Luck के लिए घर से निकलोगे. You have to go out, struggle, and you have to fail, and you fail again, and then fail again, then fail again. But if you don't give up, what will happen to you? You'll be successful. I have failed many times. I have made so many mistakes. My decisions were not good. I lost money many times. One thing I didn't do, you know what? Never gave up. Are you ready to fail? यार यहाँ वाले फेल हो रहे, यहाँ वाले फेल नहीं हो रहे. Are you ready to fail? Trust me, failure से अच्छा lesson कोई नहीं है. Never feel embarrassed. Never feel shamed when you try something and you don't succeed. You are a person who's trying to do something new. You know, people who don't try, they don't fail. So what do you want to be? Someone who will take a risk. Things will not work out first time. We'll try again, second time, third time. But ultimately, if you don't give up, you will get to your dream. That's how it works. That's very important for failure. Second important part is that you have to make sure the world today, the piece of paper you're getting today, is a great degree to have from a great school. I have a lot of respect for UCP because I've been active with UCP for the last 25, 30 years. They keep inviting me, I keep going back, and I see students from UCP doing great things. That's good. But this piece of paper requires more now. आपको इंटरव्यू पे एंट्री मिल जाएगी, कंपनी वाले बुलाएंगे आपको. But then they will sit with you and try to assess your personality. They try to see how you think. Are you creative? Can you find a solution to a problem? Can you see a problem and identify the solution for that? That's how you are hired. You're not hired on just your GPA. Remember that. GPA will not give you a job. Job will be given on how you think, how you can solve a problem, how you can create a solution. That's how jobs are given today. Jobs are given to people who can create solutions. Not just sit because of they have a 4 GPA or they have 3.9 GPA. Do you understand that? Does it make sense to you? Let's do that. Second thing is life में बहुत critical है आपको be a humble person, be kind to people, respect the people you work with. People you work with will be not easy to work with. They will create difficulty for you. But you have to make sure you respect people. You have to make sure you're humble. One day, inshallah, you'll be very successful. Inshallah ta'ala. मेरी दो बातें याद कीजिए. When things are tough for you, जब आप पे मुश्किलें पड़ेगी और पड़ी होगी तो पता आप क्या करेंगे? आप अपना सर उठा के चलेंगे. You will not tell the world you have problem. Do not share with the world. Do not tell anyone that you are facing difficulty because world wants you to face difficulty. World wants to bring you down. तो मैं लोग नीचे गिराएंगे. कभी दुनिया को ना बताओ कि तुम्हारी मुश्किलें हैं. Always look in the eye in the people. आंखों में देखो. कोई पूछे कैसे हो? बहुत अच्छा हूँ. काम कैसे जा रहा? बहुत अच्छा जा रहा. Never tell the world that you are in difficulty. People will bring you down. कभी किसी से शेयर मत करना कि तुम मुश्किलों में हो because people love it to see you in difficulty. और जब कामयाब हो जाओ, when you are successful, then please bring your head down. अपना सर झुका लो. कभी सर मत उठाना जब कामयाब हो जाए. सबसे जो बुरा नेचर को लगता है अल्लाह ताला को लगता है जब आपका सर उठाओ. कभी सर मत उठाना. The moment you raise your head, आपका डाउनवर्ड शुरू हो जाएगा. Keep your head down when you are successful. Keep your eyes down. अपनी आंखें नीचे रखो. जब किसी की हेल्प करो तो उसकी आंखों में आंखें मत डालो. Never look them in the eye. Always keep your eyes down. That's how nature likes it. मैं बोल सकता हूँ लेकिन आप लोग भी थक गए सुबह से यहाँ पर हैं. And I'm grateful to your faculty, you sir, every one of you. I'm honored that you invited me. I'm honored. And I wish you all very well in your future. I wish you success in life. Very proud of you, all of you, what you've done. अच्छा अभी हम एक काम करेंगे जाते से पहले. सब रेडी है? पाकिस्तान! नजर नहीं आया. आपको आया है? यार एक चाहिए हो. मैं बीच में आ जाता हूँ. All right, are you ready? Pakistan! Pakistan! Thank you very much. God bless you. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Please wait a while here. We extend our heartfelt thanks to both of our guests of honor for sharing their views with the graduates.